Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I'm doing a simple, more so like a dramatic but not dramatic, it's just basic at the same time. That's the type of look that I'm going for today, and more natural, a little not too much type of look. But anyway, I want to say thank y'all for coming to this video, and let's get started. As y'all all know, I always do a scripture before the video, so I'm gonna do a scripture before the video. Okay. I'm coming from 2 Corinthians chapter 7. It said, when Solomon had finished praying, fire came down from heaven and consumed the burnt offering and the sacrifices, and the glory of the Lord filled the temple. That's what I had to say. Thank y'all. Let's get into this video. Hey everybody, I'm using this green corrector to correct these dark marks on my face, because I got the dark all over my face and it needs to go away. Now I'm concealing it a little bit to bring some type of, my skin tone back to the side of my face, because I have a birthmark and acne spots over the side of my face. So yeah, I hate birthmarks, but I'm still beautiful. Blend it, Jane Brittany, blend it. Yeah. Yeah, y'all. So right now, about to use this Milani foundation. It's like a caramel type color, because my skin is like kind of caramel. I don't know what type of skin tone I have for real. I have 2 different types of skin tone, to be honest. But yeah, I'm just squishing all that makeup over my face, and I'm blending it with the brush and stuff. Yeah, but now I'm just blending with a brush. When you blend it with a brush, I'm so used to blending my makeup with a brush instead of a sponge. But a sponge good. Like if you do a sponge, it won't leave no streaks or nothing on your face, cause brushes be leaving little streak marks and everything on your face. But that's why I had bought the Real Technique brushes. It don't leave no streak marks on my face. So I using the Real Technique sponge too. So both of them work excellent. And when I start using it, my makeup start turning out a little like good and stuff, everything. So I'm glad I had got that. Now I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer to conceal under my eyes, because I'm having little dark spots under my eyes, because I've been up a little. I don't really have no dark spots under my eyes, but I have been up a little for the past week or 2. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm blending that ink underneath my eyes. Blend that ink. Now I'm contouring my side of my face, like give it that nice contour, like a sort of natural contour. I'm using this little fish brush. Yeah, it's like a mermaid fishy brush. I had ordered this off Amazon. They have a lot of cute brushes up there. But yeah, now I'm just blending that drink out. You feel me? Yeah. I be making weird faces while I'm doing my makeup, like I be looking serious and stuff. Like when I'm looking serious, it would feel like I be in a rush and stuff. But now I'm using this Makeup Revolution baking powder to bake underneath my eyes, but not baking too much. I'm not gonna let it sit, because when I let it sit, it'll get like a little ghost, like a ash, like leave a little cast underneath my eye. I don't want to leave that underneath my eyes, so I hurry and swipe it off. I don't keep it up there too long. Now I'm contouring my nose and stuff. I had actually messed up my contour in this video, because I had made the line come, like you can see it down the bottom. I had messed it up a little, so it wasn't good like the other video I had made. But yeah, now I'm just blending that drink. I'm gonna start blending longer, because it feel like as I start blending longer, your face start looking better. So right now I'm using I'm using a different skill. So now I'm starting to blend my face more better now. Everything. Now I'm doing my eyeshadow. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Rose Gold palette. It's chocolate. It's a chocolate bar, as I can see. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just putting a brownish type of color in my eye right now, inside my crease, to give it some type of shape, because my eyes don't really have a shape for real. So I'm trying to figure out my eyes. Like I'm not a beast like in eyes and stuff. I'm still learning. That's like my most part of makeup that really scares me when it comes to eyes, because I don't want to look crazy. So I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best to do my eyes. So y'all bear with me. Yeah, yeah. But yeah, y'all. Now I'm cutting the crease and stuff. I'm trying to do it real nice and slow. I'm trying to do it like the best I can. I'm not trying to rush it at all and stuff. I'm just patting it and shaping it. That's what I'm doing. Make it smooth for when I apply my little shimmer shadow up there. Y'all, when I'm like, don't that palette look good? Like you just want to eat the bark, like the chocolate. Like it looked really good. I just want to eat it. They had all different kinds at Ulta Beauty. They got the mint flavor, the regular chocolate one, and they got the rose gold one, and they got another gold one, I think. I don't know. But yeah, I need to go back. I need to restock on some stuff. Like, I just need to go on a makeup spree. And I'm using this glitter shadow. I'm using 2 glitters, though. I'm layering it up, and I'm using my finger. I feel like it applied better when I use my finger for, like, using shimmers and stuff. But now I'm using my Itsbrittglamm lashes, y'all, and it's the glamour alert lashes. So it's my lashes. Y'all want to purchase it, y'all need to tell me in the description. Y'all cash at me, whatever. My cash app is in the description. Y'all comment, y'all, and y'all can follow me on my social media. Itsbrittglamm lashes. I had my main page, Itsbrittglamm, but I can't log back in until I get that logged back in and get that situated. I would let y'all know, but for now, Itsbrittglamm lashes page. So yeah, I try to get like a more nude type of lip, more nude. I actually look good though. Say thank y'all. I just want to say thank y'all for watching this video. And this is how like a go out type of look, natural go out type of look, not too basic, not too much, just that go out type of look. And I'm wearing my Itsbrittglamm lashes, so if y'all interested of purchasing some of my Itsbrittglamm lashes, y'all can look in the description below. I don't have a website now, but it's coming soon. So what I do is y'all can cash out me and I can deliver it to y'all, and it's legit. I will not just take your money and not give it to you, because I be giving everybody their lashes. They've been giving me their money and I be giving them lashes. I'm not the type of person that to take the money and not give you the lashes, you know. That's only if y'all feel like y'all can trust me. So just drop your Cash App, or I can drop my Cash App, PayPal, and y'all can just send me the money and I will send y'all eyelashes. So I want to say thank y'all for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up and give me a subscribe and click that notification bell for y'all can be notified when my videos come out. Because if y'all don't click the bell, y'all won't know I post a video. Simple. So yeah, y'all just like, comment, subscribe, get me up to 1K subscribers. And once I get to 1,000K subscribers, I will do a giveaway for boy and girl, both sets. Okay, thank y'all. Thank y'all for watching this video.